Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add overlay in CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's go ahead access our CapCut on our mobile phone. Now tap on new project and simply select one, tap on add. Now this is our video. Now go ahead, here in this bottom section you will find all kind of edit option, which includes in the middle option of overlay. Go ahead again, tap on add overlay. Let's go ahead, choose another video, tap on add, and there we go, it's now overlaid. If you want to simply resize it accordingly, you can choose and you can place it wherever you want accordingly. Can proceed with other editing of yours as you would prefer over here on CapCut. Once you're done, simply tap on this icon and save this to your device, and you can directly share to any platform you would prefer. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.